Okay, we are in Sherwood Farms in Crossville, Tennessee, and they was confirmed, the weather station has confirmed it was a tornado. The National Weather Service, hopefully we should have information very shortly. And this storm that hit this area, we don't know for sure how big it was or how strong the winds were, or anything like that. As you can see, there's trees snapped off everywhere, uprooted people's yards. Over here's a piece of gutter and it's chipped. Looks like that house over there didn't get messed up. Or is that a barn? It's like maybe somebody's shed. I don't know where. Look over here. See nothing. Pieces of debris everywhere. There. Fellow down there, shed. I'm trying to tell where the damage path was. If you're looking in the video here, might have come right through here. Right in through here. If you look at the trees as they're snapped off, it did. I'm sure it did touch down. One guy was saying that It took the mobile home and slung it about 20 foot, I think. I might have been wrong with the damage here to the mobile home. I hate it for people though. They have to go through things like this. But the adjust the brightness here. Looks like it picked up this mobile home. Yeah, back here. If you look back here, wow, man. Okay, if you're looking in the video here, it looks like they took the mobile home and threw it about 10 foot. There are heavy damage to the mobile home, as you see here. The roof, the okay, assessment of the damage. My assessment was a tornado. The porch. Okay, get back to the destruction. Okay, I think it dropped right over there somewhere, came across and hit this mobile home and jumped and hit them trees over there. As you're looking in the video here, the trees are snapped off. I think that's where it came back down and tore the trees up as it was as it approached the mobile home. It jumped across, snapped all them trees, and I'm not sure where the tin came from. That's strange. Concentrate on the tin. I don't know where it came from. I don't can't picture where. There's another piece over there. If you look over here, you'll see the mobile home all tore up, blocks everywhere. The condensing unit pushed. So my assessment is that it took the mobile home and threw it about 8 foot. This here, it pushed it sideways. So that, I've never seen that done before. Oh, there's part of the porch. Looks like that's where the porch was attached to the mobile home before it was destroyed by the twister.